Hello, this is Nielsen outside his cage. Hi baby. Hello. As you can see, his new cage has an opened roof, so he can go in and out from here and from down here. I haven't made so many videos on this channel lately because of this little news from a little less than a month. He is living outside his cage during the day. As you can see, I needed to get used to this news. Hello. It's such a good result in 3 months for a parrot who was not fed to live like that. As you can see, it's easy to bring him back in the cage when I need to go out, because I just invite him in, offering him some food, as you can see, but I offer him food down here so he can go back inside when I need to. He flies when he feels like. He mostly flies up there. He loves that spot up there. But when I call him back, he comes back to the cage. So it's not hard to bring him back to the cage. He's very playful, as you can see, when he's outside, so I often make him play. I make him play with his toys, some of which you can see them there, and I make him play with the target stick, which is there. He loves the target stick. I use him to teach him where to go. If you like to, I'm gonna dedicate a video to the use of the target stick, so that you can use it with your parrot too. You see how he keeps his wings heart-shaped? From the back you can see it. That probably means he is a male. I wasn't sure whether he was a male or a female until he had the habit to came out, and then it was pretty clear that he's probably a male because of how he keeps his wings. Come here, boy. Hi. Hello. Hello. He acts like a male when he's outside the cage. He keeps his wings are shaped, and he's courting objects too. He calls for females. Now he's not doing so, but sometimes he does. He's not making many damages. He's good boy, yeah. The only damage he's making is my Sgt. Pepper poster. You can see there is he's eating it up. Hi, baby. That's okay with me, I don't care, but I try to avoid this because I fear he could eat paper. I don't want him to eat paper. I don't know if it's okay, so I avoid it. When I see him doing it, I just ask him to go away, and I give him something else to play with. I think he has grown up a bit since when he came home. He came home, as you know, on the end of December 2015. Now it's the end of March, so it's 3 months. I don't know precisely how old he was, but he was less than 6 months old, and I think he's grown up a bit. Hello. Hi. Hello. There's some upgrade with his food too. I finally managed to... Okay, it's not making me talk now. He's doing... You see? That's probably a male. That's a male. That's acting like a male, as I said before. I was saying that he's eating vegetables finally. He's eating fruits. So there's been improvement on that side. He's a very good boy. All is going pretty well. I wanted to say that I opened a blog. It's in Italian, but if you know Italian it's okay, or you can translate it easily with Google Translator. It's clear. If you want to visit my blog about parrot care, you find the address in the info box. Ciao! Okay, now I'm playing with him now because he's calling me, as you can see. So we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!